Alright guys, we have a lot to talk about with XRP and XLM. Today we're going to do both on this video. As you may know, XRP managed to finally settle their case yesterday. It was pretty late my time, so I didn't do a video or anything, so immediately about it, you know. But anyways guys, yeah, XRP settled for $125 million, which is what I think I saw some number like 94% less than what the SEC wanted, because they wanted $2 billion before this. I think about half a year or maybe 8-9 months ago I saw something about it. But anyways guys, doesn't matter. They settled. It's over. Now the altcoin season can probably begin. I think, I believe this will kind of spark something. Because this was one of the major things looming in crypto, and yeah, we'll see if XRP is able to make a new all-time high. We'll see if it's able to beat its last cycle high over here, actually up here around $2. But yeah, guys, I mean, if it's settled, I believe XRP is free to move. So anyways, you can see this long-term trend line on XRP that it's just been hitting and hitting and hitting. And until recently, it broke out, and, this candle, showed the breakout, but then we had all markets falling in the past week or so, and, we fell actually back into this trend line. Now, keep in mind, I always say my lines and trend lines and whatever, they're not 100% perfect. So maybe even if I adjust this trend line, it could settle right, under this candle. So I don't know. Let's just leave it there, because you can see there was a lot of resistance here, resistance there. If we go up, we can see here it almost hit it perfectly. Here it broke through but came back down. So, guys, I'm just going to leave it there. I think it's probably the best place to leave it. But we are, basically getting a bounce off this trend line, or breaking out of it again. Either one. Let's see. Right now, we're at about 60 cents, and we've been kind of in this range for a while. Although, since about April, we've been kind of lower. But I do believe somebody knew something in July. When you look at this now and you look at these candles, somebody knew something. So that's why there was probably a lot of buying, about a month ago. And now you can see XRP is basically free. So, to continue onwards. So we do have still a resistance here that we've been trying to break for the past like 4 weeks, up here at about 61 cents even. And that's a daily resistance. I do think we will break through that. The weekly resistance here is 63. We also have tried to break for 4 weeks in a row. I do believe we will break that as well, because the more you hit something, the more it's going to break. And you can see all these times over here it was hitting. And yeah, I mean, we will break it. I'm just sure of that. Now, when you get up here to 65 cents, let's say, we had a lot of time over here trying to break it, some weeks here and here. So I do believe that will break eventually. I think maybe the next major resistance is probably going to be this zone for XRP between about 67 cents to about, let's say, 69. Maybe even 70, because it's another round number up. So that can be kind of a psychological area of resistance. People want to buy in the 60 cents, not 70, so it can be. But let's just say that whole area here, that's probably going to be a major resistance. You can see as well, we did hit it here, hit it here, hit it here, hit it here. We haven't been above that mark since last summer, guys, when there was news that XRP won the case, and that wasn't for long. You can see it spiked up and then, just worked its way back down. So anyways, guys, yeah, that's what I got for you on XRP. Now let's take a look at XLM. Let me make this chart a little bit bigger. Sorry about that, guys. But XLM tends to follow XRP, so it did spike a little bit, not as much though. Now it does have a bullish engulfing weekly candle at the moment, and it does need to break through this resistance here at about 10.15 cents. Let's see if we can do that. It looks like it tried to find support on this line. Now, again, the lines aren't perfect, but they're pretty close. So maybe it found support here, but anyways, yeah, right now it's this resistance it's working on. And then you have about 10.73 cents where we've pretty much been under since beginning of June. So 2 months we've been under this. So we do need to get above probably about, I would say, 11.5 cents to start to take out this whole area that we've just been in for like, since what, April, middle April. So it's been a while, guys. That's 4 months down here. And I do believe XLM isn't a bad project. I know it's kind of a copycat of XRP. I don't have as much of it as I do XRP because I believe XRP is better. Now, I'm not like a major XRP, fanatic, but I do hold quite a bit. And, I've held on to it for 3 years. My first buy was, I think, in January 2021. I think I bought the same month I got into crypto. So I bought really, really low, guys. And, the same with XLM. I think I bought around the same time. It could have been January, February, of 2021. And anyways, guys, yeah, so that's what, XLM is looking like right now. We do have these other resistances, but I think the major thing is to get above this area where we've been for like 4 months. So let's see if we can do that. The best thing, if we can get above about 14.1 cents, we will have taken out most of the area that we've been in since, way back in last summer, actually, when XRP won the case. So you can see it did exactly the same thing as XRP's. Whatever XRP does, XLM does, and you can probably buy more XLM than you can XRP. So why not have both? Really. And yeah, I mean, Bitcoin at the moment, it is. I wanted to show you this. It is still in this flag, and yesterday it kind of dipped below. Let me just take a look on the daily. Yeah, you can see, guys. Now, like I said a couple of days ago in a video, I don't think I expected us to break through on this day, but I think we were breaking through it, and we did get a kind of rejection. Yesterday we pushed a little bit farther, and we ended up eventually getting a rejection of this, trend line here, this bull flag pattern. We're trying to break back into it. Right now, currently, we are back into it, but we've come from all the way down at about $55,000. I mean, that's just insane that we moved up almost to 58,000 yesterday, got a huge rejection, closed around 56, and now we're 57.1. So we are trying also to break back into this Fibonacci level, so that's another thing. So we have a trend line, basically, a bull flag pattern trend line that we need to kind of break back into, and we got to break this Fibonacci. So after that, you have 60.2 is the next resistance, I believe. So let's see if we can do that today. Hopefully we can. I do believe with XRP settling, this is one of the bigger things in crypto at the moment. That's a major win for crypto, period. So anyways, guys, that's what I got for you on XRP and XLM and Bitcoin at the moment. I wish you all a great day, and if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.